Hi. Sorry this took so long. I've been having a terrible time rigging some kind of decent passable lighting setup, as you will see. But it's getting to that point where I want to stop second guessing myself, so here's a video. First quick comment, this kit does not come with any type of stand. I'm using the Flying Base Plus for the fighter jet in some of this video. I feel like it is needed to assist with some of the different modes, but it isn't a deal breaker for me. Like the head securing method they went with on this kit, the previous ones that I've assembled always seem to be delicate, but with this one, you have to mean it. She has some decent posability. Overall, I felt like she was a pretty standard build as far as challenge or difficulty goes. So if you're looking for something new, this is likely not a kit for that. If you're a basic sticker casual like me, I found that the stickers kind of suck on the jet fighter. The clear ones have a hard time and didn't mold well for me. Melting them on might be a solution, but I just don't want to spend the time trying to fix it. She comes with a few different faces, as well as hands and tail parts for one of the other modes. There's even a little piece of plastic I've almost lost 9 times to cover a hole in the back for one such transformation. Speaking of transformations, I didn't find them all as interesting or comfortable as I had hoped. The suit one, which you can see me struggling with now, I found kind of flimsy. I didn't expect it to be completely secure, but I do worry about displaying her like this without fear of her falling off the shelf, crashing onto the floor, or one of my cats will now steal a piece and hide it from me. The riding mode I haven't tried until making this video, and I found it was okay, although it has scared me a few times almost falling off the shelf. I still find that the fighter jet mode, however, is the most reliable. It seems to be the most stable. When all is said and done, I really do like this finished kit. I'm hoping to pick up the other one I've had my eye on from this series, and I see that I've procrastinated long enough that they are doing a second printing of her. If you'd like to see me waste more money, let me know. Maybe even subscribe. I have a couple other kits that I plan to review, and we'll hopefully get those videos out soon. Anyway, that's it for my really quick opinion on this kit. Hopefully somebody finds this useful. Thanks for stopping by.